What's happening, y'all? It's Josh with Drive the Coast. We're down here at the beach checking out the Gulf of Mexico, as well as these gorgeous classic cars that we get in stock almost every day. Today we got a beautiful numbers matching 1970 Oldsmobile 442. It's a real 442. It is not a Cutlass Supreme with 442 badges. It's the real deal. We've got all the original paperwork from when it was sold originally to the original buyer. All the Oldsmobile paperwork, original manuals, etc. This car is absolutely beautiful. Like I said, numbers matching 455. Beautiful striping and paintwork on it. Original Oldsmobile wheels, Rally 2s. Seats and all is in super nice condition with one separation on the seam right here. Windows all roll up and down like they should. Motor starts up beautifully, runs absolutely smooth, like a dream. Gauges are all working, including the clock. We'll get in here, we'll take a look at that. Passenger seats in mint condition. Door panels is all super clean. Courtesy light turning on. Rear seats, door panels all excellent shape. Man, I rarely see the clock working in these old cars. You can just tell this one has been babied its entire life. Beautiful wood grain. Gauges is all working. Y'all, beautiful condition. Got the seat belts up there like they should. Let's go to the back here and run. I got no bubbles along the bottom. Rockers, doors is all super clean. Take a look at the engine bay here. So I got a brand new brake booster. Motor's just purring beautifully. Anyway, y'all, Drive the Coast has nationwide shipping as well as financing available with only 10% down. Y'all feel free to reach out if you have any questions. We can get it shipped to your door at a very reasonable cost. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh with Drive the Coast. Have an awesome day.